Hello. Welcome to Class 8 of Genius Angel's Abacus Training.
How are you today? Great. As of now, you know numbers up to 99 and addition, subtraction using small friends. I hope you practiced small friends to calculate with speed and accuracy. If you need more practice, you can always do using practice worksheets. Practice makes the man perfect. So, friends of 5 are small friends. 1 and 4, 2 and 3 are friends. Small friends help along with 5. Alright, before meeting other friends, we will revise the numbers up to 99. Let's count the numbers 10 to 90. 10's rod is used to count 10 to 90. Look, beats are set from left to right. That is, 10's rod first and then 1's rod. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's cool, isn't it? Let us count 0 to 50. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In the same way, can you continue till 50? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Alright, it's time to meet few more friends today. Let's calculate plus 2 plus 9. 2 beats up for plus 2. Then, have to move 9. But, there is no enough beads. In order to solve this, we should get to know about other friends. A rabbit had a big friend, a giraffe, who used to play with him daily. The bunny could not find any food one day. Giraffe has big, lengthy neck. It reaches out to big trees to get food. So Giraffe helped Bunny to get his feast. Like Giraffe, there are big friends who help us when there is no small friends to move numbers. Friends of 10 are called big friends. Who are they? 1, and 9 are friends. 2 and 8 are friends. 3 and 7 are friends. 4 and 6 are friends. And 5 is friend with itself. So 5 and 5 are friends. Let's see them again using your hand. Friends of 10 are big friends. 1 and 9. 2 and 8. 3 and 7. 4 and 6. 5 and 5. Big friends help each other along with 10.
You have learned big friends. Let's see how they help us while adding numbers.
While adding numbers, remove friend and add 10. Yes, big friends come along with the supplement 10. 4 plus 9, remove friend. Add 10. Friend of 9 is 1, right? So, plus 9 equal minus 1 plus 10. 4 plus 8, remove friend. Add 10. Friend of 8 is 2. So, plus 8 equal minus 2 plus 10. Let's see some examples. Plus 3 plus 9. Move 3 beats up. Then, have to move 9 beats up. But, no enough beats to move. 9 has a big friend to take help. So, let's call big friends. Plus 9 equal minus 1 plus 10. Minus 1. Take away 1 lower bead. 4 plus 10, move 1 lower bead up in 10's rod. Answer is 12. Let's see plus 2 plus 8. Move 2 beads up. Then, have to move 8. But, no enough beads to move. So, we will use big friends. Plus 8 equal minus 2 plus 10. 4 minus 2. Take away 2 lower beads. Plus 10, move 1 lower bead up in 10's rod. Answer is 10. Again tell me, who are big friends? Right, friends of 10 are big friends. They are 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5. Plus 9 equals 2. Minus 1 plus 10. Plus 8 equals 2. Minus 2 plus 10. Shall we practice the big friends? Here we go.
Are you ready?
Calculate. Plus 7 plus 9 minus 5. Set 7 in 1's rod. Plus 9. Not enough beads to move 9. So call big friends. Plus 9 equal minus 1. Plus 10. Note, for 10, 1 is set at 10's rod. Minus 5. Move upper bead up in 1's rod. Count the value of the beads that are near the beam. It's 1, 1, 11. Next, plus 2 plus 1 plus 9. Set 2 by moving 2 lower beads up. Plus 1. Move 1 lower bead up. Plus 9. Not enough beads to move 9. So call big friends. Plus 9 equal minus 1. Plus 10. Set 1 at 10's rod. Count the beads value near the beam. Answer is 1, 2, 12. Next, let's do plus 9 plus 8 minus 2. Set 9 in 1's rod. Plus 8. Not enough beads to move 8. So let's call big friends. Plus 8 equal minus 2. Plus 10. Set 1 at 10's rod. Next, minus 2. Move 2 lower beads down. Answer is 1, 5, 15. Are you ready to do few more yourself? Cool. Let's start. Calculate. Plus 5. Minus 1. Not enough beads. Let's call small friends. Minus 1 equal plus 4 minus 5. Plus 9. Not enough beads. So let's call big friends. Plus 9 equal minus 1. Plus 10. Plus 0. Answer is 1, 3, 13. Calculate. Plus 8. Plus 9. Not enough beads. So let's call big friends. Plus 9 equal minus 1. Plus 10. Minus 5. Answer is 1, 2, 12. Calculate. Plus 6. Plus 3. Plus 9. Not enough beads. So let's call big friends. Plus 9 equal minus 1. Plus 10. Answer is 1, 8, 18. Calculate. Plus 1. Plus 3. Plus 9. Not enough beads. Let's call big friends. Plus 9 equal minus 1. Plus 10. Answer is 1, 3, 13. Calculate. Plus 8. Minus 4. Not enough beads. Let's call small friends for subtraction. Minus 4 equal plus 1 minus 5. Minus 1. Plus 9. Not enough beads. Let's call big friends. Plus 9 equal minus 1. Plus 10. Answer is 1, 2, 12. Calculate. Plus 4. Plus 9. Not enough beads. So let's call big friends. Plus 9 equal minus 1. Plus 10. Plus 6. Minus 7. Answer is 1, 2, 12. Calculate. 9. Minus 5. Plus 8. Not enough beads. Let's call big friends. Plus 8 equal minus 2. Plus 10. Answer is 1, 2, 12. Calculate. 2 plus 8. Not enough beads. Let's call big friends. Plus 8 equal minus 2. Plus 10. Plus 1. Plus 5. Answer is 1, 6, 16. Next, calculate. Plus 6. Plus 1. Plus 8. Not enough beads. Let's call big friends. Plus 8 equal minus 2. Plus 10. Minus 5. Answer is 1, 0, 10. Calculate. Plus 3. Plus 4. Not enough beads. Let's call small friends. Plus 4 equal plus 5 minus 1. Plus 8. Not enough beads. Let's call big friends. Plus 8 equal minus 2. Plus 10. Minus 4. Minus 4 equal plus 1 minus 5. Answer is 1, 1, 11. Last one, calculate. 5 plus 4 minus 1 plus 8. Not enough beads. Let's call big friends. Plus 8 equal minus 2. Plus 10. Answer is 1, 6, 16. Alright. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the ride with practice of big friends. It's time to recall our learning today as we are approaching end of this module. Let's recall all the progress you made today. You have met big friends. Friends of 10 are big friends. They are 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5. Friends add to 10. You learned how to use big friends in addition. This is your takeaway from this class. Formula for addition is: remove friend and add 10. Plus 9 equals 2. Minus 1 plus 10. Plus 8 equals 2. Minus 2 plus 10. Practice is the key to improve your skills. Hence, I would love to see you improve your outcomes by practicing it daily. Complete next practice worksheets. Do beat your previous speed and accuracy records. Have a good time.